Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 4 to 10, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. So let's see, Virgo, what's the energy for you? August 4 to 10. August 4 to 10. For Virgo. Timing. Ayan. So, maaring meron kang sisimulan ngayon, ngayong week na to, because you feel like this is the right time to do it. Okay? Maaring naghintay ka ng tamang panahon at ito na yon. And also, maari ring ito yung isang mensahe para sa inyo, like a reminder na may mga bagay na hindi nyo kailangang madaliin. Uh, meron tong tamang panahon kung kailan to mangyayari or dapat gawin. Okay? So, syempre kayo ang nakakaalam niyan kung ano yung mga gusto nyong gawin. Yung iba sa inyo, this is major change. No? Maaring may pagbabago na gagawin ka sa buhay mo and you feel like this is the right time. Healing, yes. You are healing from your past, healing your wounds. You are continuously healing. Actually, minsan akala natin healed na tayo, pero kulang pa pala or kailangan pa pala nating mag-double time para ma-realize natin yung ating mga shadows, yung mga bagay na kailangan nating ayusin, i-improve sa ating sarili, mga bagay na dapat nating i-let go, para tuloy-tuloy yung ating paghilom. Yung iba sa inyo, this can be a physical healing. Kung kayo nagkasakit recently, ngayong week na to, makaka-recover na kayo sa inyong pagkakasakit. Mas magiging maingat rin kayo. You have resilience, no? Or being resilient. So, mas magiging adaptable kayo. Kaya nyong sumabay sa agos ng buhay. Kaya nyong i-adapt yung sarili nyo sa isang challenge or sa isang sitwasyon na maaring mahirap siya sa ngayon, pero eventually you will realize na tinuturuan ka lang pala ng lesson ng universe, or that experience really improved you in a lot of ways, na mas naging wiser ka, mas naging stronger ka, diba? Let's see. What is your overall energy? Overall energy for Virgo this week. What's the energy? The Queen of Cups. So, maaring meron kang mga activities ngayon related sa family, mga mahal sa buhay mo. Meron kang kailangang asikasuhin, bigyan ng attention, lalo na kung may anak ka na. I also see you na becoming more creative. Maaring meron kang mga creative talents and skills na mas bibigyan mo ng attention ngayon, or kumbaga i-hone mo yung skills mo na yan dahil alam mo na meron tong positibong resulta para sa'yo in the long run, no? Pagtagal. Your challenge is the lover. So, pwede magkaroon kayo ng challenging relationship with your partner, no? Pwede tong romantic partner, may mga misunderstanding. Alam niyo naman ngayon, meron tayong Mercury retrograde, and usually during these times, lalo na kayo, Virgo is ruled by Mercury. So, maaring merong mga misunderstanding, miscommunication, especially sa mga loved ones mo. Like family, your spouse, no? Your friends, people that are close to you. And also, as a challenge, kung magkakaroon ng business partnership, kailangan kilalanin mo muna yung taong makaka-business partner mo, or yung commitment na papasukin mo. Your opportunity is the 5 of Pentacles. So, meron kang opportunity ngayon na ayusin yung finances mo. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong naging pagkakamali, no? Pagdating sa kung paano nyo spend yung pera ninyo. Pwedeng out of impulse, hindi nyo masyado napag-isipan, napagastos kayo. So, may naapektuhan na iba pang bayarin, no? Maaring nagkakaroon ng imbalance sa finances ninyo this week. But as an opportunity, mas magiging aware ka, no? Mas marirealize mo kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat mong iwasan pagdating sa paggastos mo ng pera. Minsan kasi tayo, okay tayo, but yung mga tao sa paligid natin, nangangailangan ng resources na yun. So, you have to be vigilant and careful din sa pag-handle ng finances mo. So, your blessing is, the Magician. This is about power, stepping into your own power. This is also solutions to your problem. So, kahit na medyo challenging ang week na to para sa inyo, kayang-kaya nyo namang mag-bounce back. Kayang-kaya nyong makahabol. Kayang-kaya nyong bumalik ulit. Diba? And the Magician is also about your manifestation skills. So, kung meron ka mang minamanifest this week, ang kailangan mo lang dito is yung perfect timing and also yung consistency mo. Dahil yun yung magbibigay sa iyo ng mas maraming blessings. Being consistent. And also, stepping into your own power, alamin mo kung ano yung mga kakayanan mo. Kasi andito nga tayo para sa journey na yan. Para alamin natin kung ano yung ating talino, galing, yung kakayanan natin, yung tinatawag na God-given gifts. No? So, that is your blessing. Maaring may kakayanan ka sa meron kang creative talents, creative skills na hindi mo pa na-explore. So, ngayong week na to, may explore mo yan. And that is going to bring you a lot of blessings. So, sa money, career, finances din na natin for Virgo. Wow, diba? You have the Empress. This is pagiging fertility. Ayan. Productive, no? So, maaring mas marami kang magagawa ngayong week na to. Mas magiging productive ang week na to. Maraming resulta, maraming outcome, maraming output. Oo. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaari ring mas magiging maganda ang takbo ng career, takbo ng business, or takbo ng income ninyo. Wow, you have the Ten of Cups. So, happiness, fulfillment. Meron kang mga goals pagdating sa career, sa business and finances mo na ma-achieve mo this week. Challenging man yung iyong finances or yung issue sa partner mo, pero eventually, no, especially when it comes to your career, magagawan mo siya ng solusyon, magagawan mo ng paraan, at you will be able to have a very stable income, and at the same time, mas creative ka pa. And then, for your love life, Ten of Wands and the Knight of Wands. So, this is about action, work. Maaring pagdating sa relationship ninyo, kailangan, nag-share kayo ng inyong mga responsibilities. Mahirap kasi kapag isa lang yung nagkikerry ng responsibility, may tendency na yung parang isumbat. Oo. If you are in a relationship right now, tapos marami kayong kailangang asikasuhin, you have to make sure na chine-check niyo pareho yung isa't isa, kailangan mo ba ng tulong, kailangan niya ba ng tulong, and be open para mapag-usapan kung ano yung kailangang trabahuhin together. Ayan. Kasi pwedeng kala kasi nung isa, porket kinakaya niya, hindi niya tutulungan, di ba? Okay, so let's see, Virgo. An exciting event. So, maaring merong exciting event na a-attendan ka this week, or may kaganapan sa trabaho mo, business, career. Spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are going through a spiritual awakening. So, this is part of your spiritual journey. Marami kang realizations about life, yung belief system mo, maraming nagbabago, marami kang nalalaman, natutuklasan tungkol sa sarili mo, mas nagiging aware ka. Spiritual guidance, protection from harm. Yes, you are divinely guided. Maaring kayo ay naniniwala sa mga guardian angels. Yan. Pwedeng ancestors niyo yan or guardian angels na nagpo-protect sa inyo. Maaring kayo spiritual person din na talagang meron kayong mga rituals na ginagawa at pamamaraan para maproteksyonan ang inyong sarili at ang inyong family. So, final message for Virgo. Beauty. Today, you are the curator of beauty. You are blessed with moments that let you know beyond a shadow of a doubt that all is well in the world. Ayan. So, I think mas ma-appreciate mo yung ganda ng mundo. Yung ganda ng paligid mo. Yung mga blessings na nare-receive mo. And dahil doon, kahit na may mga challenges, mas na-appreciate mo that you are existing in this world. You know na magiging maayos rin yung lahat. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.